Okay, people. Try this one more again. What's up, Red? Tell me something good. What'd you do last night?
Well, yesterday I put my dick in my drink and stirred it, you know, and he liked every bit of it. He said, this ain't strong enough. I'm like, shit, I put my dick back in there. Tommy Salami like top. He loves the taste of
it. That's fucking wrong, dude. It really is.
It's true.
It really is. It really. Anything else happened last night?
Yeah, it might be fucked up good, but I got to do Facebook.
Anybody else you want to talk about?
Oh yeah, crazy Andy. She lay in the street about, I love you, fucker, Steven. I do love you. And he's like,
where was I?
You were sitting on the damn picnic table like that. Shut up, bitch. Don't lie to me. Don't keep quick lying to me. Red, get that ball from that stupid bitch.
In my defense, I don't remember saying any of these things.
But I did.